Do you want to create stunning animation videos without trying, without editing, and in just few seconds? Then stop scrolling, because today I'm going to show you how to create professional 3D animation videos using AI even if you've never animated before. Animation videos are blowing up on YouTube right now, millions of views, crazy engagement, and insane watch time. But the best part? You don't need expensive software, you don't need drawing skills, all you need is AI. So let's jump straight into the process. Step 1. Generate your script with ChatGPT. First, you need a strong script, the foundation of every good animation. Go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. You have to write your prompt according to your choice, or simply you can write a 30-second animation story script. Explain your character style and theme, and ChatGPT will generate ready-to-use script for you. Quick, simple, zero effort. Step 2. Now let's create your hero. Open OpenArt AI and select Start with Description. Type your character description, name your character. I named mine Mira, and select Pixel Mode for smooth 3D animation style. OpenArt will generate 3 character options. Pick your favorite. The best part, OpenArt keeps your character consistent across different poses, lighting, and background, something most tools fails at. Step 3. Now let's create every scene of your animation. Click Image, paste the next scene prompt from ChatGPT, and hit Create. OpenArt gives you perfect character consistency, beautiful lighting, accurate expressions, smooth scene variations. The more details and emotion you add in your prompt, the better your animation looks. Step 4. We got the images. Let's make them move. Go to the Video tab, Image to Video. You have to click Upload your character image, type your prompt, click Create, and just like that, your image turned into animation. Easy, fast, and magical. For even smoother transition between images, place one image in start frame and the next image in the end frame. Copy prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Click Create, and boom, your animation flows naturally like real movement. Perfect for connected, professional looking scenes. Voiceover. Great animation deserves a great voice. Open 11 Labs, pick a voice style that fits your story, paste your script, and download your narration. Trust me, a good voiceover instantly boosts emotions, storytelling, and audience engagement. Step 6. Final editing in CapCut. Now it's time for the final polish. Import all clips into CapCut and add background music, add magical sound effects, add smooth transitions, arrange clips perfectly. This step turns your animation into cinematic masterpiece. Final results.
The city is gray and silent. Mira, a shy street artist, finds a magical paintbrush. As she paints a mural, vibrant colors flow through the streets, flowers bloom, and magical butterflies dance. Mira spins with joy, watching the city come alive. Proof that one spark can change the world.
Created in minutes, no drawing, no animation skills, no expensive software, just pure AI magic. If you found this helpful, hit like. It really supports the channel. Subscribe to SkillBot AI for more easy AI tutorials. Comment animation if you want me to share free prompts for character creation. Share this video with anyone who wants to start their animation journey. Thank you for watching.
Proof that one spark can change the world.